What's going on, guys? I'm back. I am finally back. Sorry for the little hiatus. It's been a series of unfortunate events. My life is a goddamn Lemony Snicket's book, apparently. After my last video, I went to the San Marcos River. Almost got skunked. I caught one small Guadalupe bass. The water was just stagnant. It wasn't holding anything. It looked gorgeous, but... So that was a failed attempt. I think my next trip was on the Guadalupe, a section I had fished previously and done really well in, and I got about 13 bites and no hookups. All short strikes. I've never had that many short strikes on a frog in my life. Then I went to Ladybird. My first two trips back to Ladybird after those river trips, I absolutely killed him on a topwater, and I was having GoPro problems, and my GoPro would turn on by itself and go straight to time-lapse mode. Didn't know what was going on. I got it fixed, and then my GoPro continued to have issues. As far as me pressing the play button, it would turn on and then off, and then it would turn on and off, on and off, on and off by itself that quick. Finally got all that shit sorted out. I just bought a new GoPro. I said, fuck it, I'm not going to get this thing fixed. I could get it fixed, or I could just get a new GoPro. And I was kind of wanting a new GoPro anyways, so... we're back at it with some ladybird fish, y'all. I got quite a bit of footage. I just kind of combined 3 days. I was able to get some footage out of those first 2 days on Ladybird where my GoPro was malfunctioning. I still got some of those clips, but there's probably a good 15 to 20 bass I didn't get on camera. So I got what I could on camera. All the trips after those first two were successful as far as my GoPro working. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. Got some good footage here. God, it looks good in here right now. Oh, man. How big is that fish? That's a pretty solid one. Chill. Got her. Not bad. Finally broke the ice. Man, the grass in here looks amazing right now. I'm just struggling to get a bite for some reason. It's a good little icebreaker though on the Pack Crasher. I think that's a good one. Got her. Small. Little small one, y'all. Chunky though. Giant, giant, giant. Oh my gosh. Smoked it. Now I'm getting on some. Holy crap. That's a fucking big one, y'all. Man. Whew. All right, not a huge one. It's a good 3.5 pounder. I thought she was about 5 when I was fighting her. She's probably only like a 3 pounder. Man, she fought me good though. We'll take it, baby. We will take that. Hell yeah. I'm starting to get hit now, y'all. I went all morning long without getting shit. And the last 3 fish I've caught have been within, man, probably the last like 25 minutes, maybe. We're gonna keep after it, y'all. Yeah. Hell yeah. All right, y'all, we getting on them now. That's fucking 4 real quick. They are up in this fucking grass. This grass is perfect in here. I saw some bait scattering real shallow up there. I'm just trying to move the slop around with this frog, and she busts through it. Tiny one, but we catching them. Big. That's a tank. Come here. That's a tank. No. Man, not that big. Fuck, I am just terrible on my fish estimates lately. Yo, this fish looks like she has a bite mark. There's like a perfect circle, like where a fucking bass bit her or something. Man, I thought that fish was bigger. Another good 3-pounder though, maybe a little over 3. Oh my gosh, there she is. Smoked it. Oh, I barely got her hooked. Don't do it. Gotcha. Look at that, y'all. That's a nice one. Man, she hammered it. I had to slow it down and kind of pause it a little bit, and then she smoked it. Sweet, baby. It's a good 3.5-pounder. Wow, she wanted it. What a blow up, holy moly. I know. Nice. That fish fucking crushed it, y'all. Hit it on the paws. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Oh, there she goes. Like another 2.5, 3-pounder. Nothing crazy. Oh my gosh. I think I still got her, y'all. I got like 20 pounds of weeds with her though. Nice. It's a solid one. Look at that one. Pretty. Not bad, not bad. Big one. Not that big. Ooh, I thought she was big though. You gotta give them a second to eat it when you're fishing on top of these cheese mats. Like, I still barely had her freaking hooked. I really let her eat it too. Nice. Giant. That's a fucking 6. Come here, you. Come here, giant. Boom, baby. It's a 5, it's not a 6. Look at that. Perfect. Right in the top of the mouth. Hell yeah. We catching them now, baby. Let's go. Sorry, y'all. Get a quick weight on her. I don't know if she'll quite make 5 pounds. I hope she does. Come on, baby. 4 pounds, 8 ounces. That's a good one, though. Man, I thought she'd be 5. Nice. Yep. Gotcha. Hell yeah, baby. Another big one. Fuck yeah. It's a good high 3, y'all. Another one pushing that 4 pound range. They're probably about 3.5. Came right through the slot, baby. That's what I like to see. Perfect. That's got to be a fish. Oh my gosh. Wow, I was not expecting that. I didn't even see her eat it. I looked away and I was about to start reeling it in and she hit it. Gotcha. All right, baby, got another one. Not a big one. I'll take it though. Gotcha. All right, y'all. Spinnerbait fish. Already missed another bite on a spinnerbait too, so we gonna keep chunking it. We gonna keep on chunking it. Oh, fucker. Fucking knew I saw one come up right there too. They have no trailers today. Oh my gosh, biggin'. I just missed one too, y'all. I just missed one too. Spinnerbait kind of day today, for sure. That's a good fish. Oh, don't do that. That's a fucking 4. Hell yeah, baby. That's not a 4. It's a good 3 pounder, y'all. Good 3 pounder. They're smoking the spinnerbait. Fuck yeah. Another one. It's gonna be one of them days, y'all. That's three, like basically 3 hits in a row. Time for another trailer. Another one. Come on, baby. Yep, they want the spinner bait.
Okay, Leah, try to go straight as possible. Try to go straight as possible. Why are you pausing here? Why are you pausing to me? You're on.
Go ahead. Oh, didn't jump. Y'all, I'm fucking them up right now. No giants yet, but man, I'm getting hit like damn near every cast. Like, that's what it feels like right now. Damn it, guys. My GoPro died literally seconds before this one came up and ate the frog. How annoying is that, man? That is a good one, though. That's probably a 5-pounder. We're gonna throw her on a scale real quick, y'all. Five-pounder on the button. 5 pounds. Beautiful fish. Gotcha. It's such a deadly fucking lure, man. This thing, it just skips like a rock. You twitch it and it just goes, and man, they just cannot help it. They just can't fucking help it. It's just pure reaction by it. What in the fuck, dude? God, you just cannot. Get up here, boy. Little guy. Oh, another one chasing it. There's another fish chasing it, y'all. Another fish chasing it. And the other one was bigger too. Solid one. The other fish chasing it was a little bit bigger. Biggin, y'all, biggin. Biggin. Real big. Real big. Wow. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come here, fish. It's another 5-pounder. Come here. Gotcha. That is a beauty, y'all. Ooh, she might be pushing 5. I think she's probably going to be about 4.5 or so. She's really thick. Beautiful fish. No, she's not even close to 4. Damn. Wow, really? 3 pounds 8 ounces. Man, she feels heavier than that. Come on, baby. Big. I just missed another one too. Don't do that. Stop. I just fucking missed another one in that mat too. Look how fat that one is. Sweet. Got you, Jimmy. Gotcha. Oh, she came through the grass and got it. Heck yeah. Big and fucking big. Yep. Got you, didn't I? I got you. Don't you fucking do it. Oh, don't do it. Okay, not huge, but nice fat one, y'all. Hell yeah. Right at the boat. They still want the spinnerbait. There she goes. They still want the spinnerbait more than the frog, but getting to that time of year where it's actually starting to get cold and they really don't want to come up and eat the frog, but it's so tempting for them that some of them do it. But I think they just much rather have the spinnerbait right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that one. I got quite a bit of footage saved up, so stay tuned for that. I will have some more good stuff coming down the pipe here. Moving into the winter months now, it's going to start getting pretty shitty as far as lake fishing goes. I'm probably going to do some river stuff. Those fish will start moving back in Barton here, and you'll be able to catch them all winter long in Barton Creek. But I want to focus on doing some river stuff, maybe hitting the San Marcos, because a lot of that is spring fed, and those fish stay a little more active in the wintertime. Same thing as the Colorado. You can pretty much catch fish on the Colorado all year long on a frog because it's all so shallow. So the difference between those fish going down to get a jig or going up to get a frog is like the same distance. So you can really catch some big fish in the wintertime on the Colorado. So I'm going to focus on a lot of that leading into next year, all the way until springtime, baby. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, stay froggy.